My name is Nicholas Quaratiello. I'm an HVAC major going into building energy management. And I chose to do HVAC because I like the mechanical side of things. I like being hands-on. I like to be able to touch what I'm working on. And that was really something I've always wanted to do. And I enjoy the controls of HVAC and the comfort science, which is why building energy management has had a calling for me, because it goes more into the comfort and turning things off when something is not comfortable, and the controls, which is something that I enjoy also. Program here has helped me because it has taught me how to troubleshoot a system with my HVAC systems. In building energy management, I'm only a week in, but I have learned how to work controls or how to connect controls to a laptop or computer and how to run them from there. So both programs have taught me how I would work on these things in my future career. I will be doing my co-op at Automated Logic ALC, and I will be working as a building energy management tech for a co-op opportunity so I can learn more about these systems. And I will start in August, and I hope that my teachings from the building energy management program will help me to learn and grow with this company for a full-time position in the future.